Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can verify your YouTube account. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all these steps properly. Alright, so first of all you have to click over on your YouTube profile picture, which is located on the top right corner, and after that you have to go to help and feedback. Here you will find verify your account, verify YouTube account. So you have to click on that, and once you click on that it will redirect you to the browser, and after that you have to type your phone number and YouTube will send a verification code to that number, and you have to paste that code here, and after that your YouTube account will be verified. So this is basically how you can verify your YouTube account. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.